Hello kids! Welcome back to our learning channel. Today we are going to learn something new and exciting, modals. Are you ready to explore the wonderful world of modals with me? Let's begin our fun journey. Let's first understand what modal verbs are. Modal verbs are special types of auxiliary verbs. They are used to express things like potential, ability, permission, requests, and possibilities. There are many modals in English, but today let's explore some of the important ones. Can, could, shall, will, may, must. Let's understand how we use these modals. Can expresses ability or permission. Example, can you play the piano? Permission. Example, I can solve this problem. Ability. Could, past ability or polite requests. Example, could you pass me the book? Example, when I was young, I could run fast. Shall, used to express suggestions or offers. Example, shall we go for a walk? Example, shall I open the window? Will, used to express future actions or promises. Example, I will finish my homework tomorrow. Example, will you join us for the game? May, used to ask for permission or express possibility. Example, may I go to the park? Example, it may rain later today. Must expresses necessity or strong obligation. Example, you must complete your homework before going out. Example, she must wear a helmet while cycling. Dice, activity. Let's practice with some modals. If I say, you may use my pen, you say, may. If I say, she can swim really well, you say, can. Let's go. Ready? Can. Can you finish the task today? Shall. Shall I help you with your homework? May. May I come in? Must. You must brush your teeth before bed. Good job, everyone. Now, let's dive deeper into can and could and how they express ability and permission. Can. Can is used for ability in the present. Example, I can run fast. Can is also used to ask for permission. Example, can I go to the party tonight? Could. Could is used for past ability. Example, when I was young, I could climb trees easily. Could is used to make polite requests. Example, could you please pass the salt? Could can also express a weak possibility in the future. Example, it could rain tomorrow. Dice, quick game. Let's play a game to spot can and could. I can read quickly. She could not understand the question. We could visit our friends tomorrow. Can you help me with my homework? Great! Keep practicing the difference between can and could. Next, let's look at shall, will and must. These modals have unique uses too. Shall. Shall is used to suggest or offer something. Example, shall we go out for ice cream? It's also used to ask for specific information. Example, shall I keep the book here? Will. Will is used for future actions. Example, I will visit my grandmother tomorrow. Will is also used to make promises. Example, I will always help you with your homework. Must. Must expresses necessity. Example, you must wear a helmet while riding a bike. Must is also used for strong advice. Example, you must study for your exams. It's used for prohibitions. Example, you must not talk during the exam. Dice, fill in the blanks. Let's fill in the blanks with shall, will and must. You must complete your assignment by tomorrow. Shall we play together this afternoon? You must not go outside without an umbrella. I will take a nap later today. Great, you are learning fast. Now, let's look at the past tense of will. Would. Would is used to express polite requests and hypothetical situations. Would. Would is used for polite requests. Example, would you please pass the book? Would is used in hypothetical situations or imagining possibilities. Example, I would go to the beach if it wasn't raining. Dice, fill in the blanks. Complete the sentences using would. I would love to go to the concert with you. Would you like to play with me? If I had the money, I would buy a new car. Good job! Let's keep practicing would and its uses. Now, let's talk about may and might. These modals are used to show possibility. May. May is used for possibility in the present or future. Example, it may rain later today. Might. Might is also used for possibility, but it expresses a weaker possibility than may. Example, she might come to the party tonight. Dice. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks with may or might. It may snow tomorrow. He might be late to class. They may go to the concert tonight. Well done! You now know may and might. Now, time to revise what we've learned today. Modals like can, shall, will, must, would, may and might help us with requests, suggestions, abilities, permissions and possibilities. We also practiced how to form negative sentences and questions with modals. Fantastic work, kids! You did an amazing job! Great job today, kids! You've learned a lot about modals. Clap, clap! If you liked the video, don't forget to like, love and subscribe. Bell. See you next time with a new lesson. Bye, kids! Thanks for watching!